This is part 2 of the analysis of the audio recordings released by NASA of the Perseverance Rover on Mars. In this one, we're going to estimate the sound of the rover itself based on the original and the filtered version of the audio files. This was suggested by Robin Jenkins. Here are the details, and previously I noticed that there was a small silence and also a delay in these audio recordings, a delay between the original and the filtered version, so we need to compensate that one in the estimate. Here's an outline of how I did this. Take the original and the filtered versions, introduce a delay, so the filtered and original versions are synced, subtract those, and here's how it's done in software. Do the trimming, they estimate the phase shift by a cross correlation, and then make the estimate itself and save as an audio file. And this is what things look like. The upper one is the original, middle one is the filtered version, and my estimate is on the bottom. And you can see the atmospheric sounds do still appear in the estimated rover sound. We can compute the Fourier transform and the power spectral density as I did before, and here it is with the audio track. So what you're hearing now is the computed sounds of the rover estimated as I've described. We see a persistent components around 5 to 7 kilohertz and about 13. One more time without me speaking. So there you go. All right, play us out, Tony. Something bluesy.